Etra-chan saw it.
My name is Kuroki. I work at Etra Limited.
You okay?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Yuri-san didn't seem well. Maybe she caught a cold? I heard it's going around these days. Actually, I heard she went out drinking last night. Probably just a hangover. I was kind of worried. Then that afternoon, she looks worse than before. You alright, Yuri-san? If you're not feeling well, I was about to say you should go to the medical office, but then... I guess it was bad timing. She stood up and ran towards me. You okay, Yuri-san? I didn't spill any coffee on you, did I? Huh? Blood! Blood! She must be really sick! Hospital! Somebody call an ambulance!
No need.
Huh?
It happens all the time, right, Yuri-san? Well, today it looks a bit worse. Here, let's go wash up.
Wait, if this happens all the time, that's even worse! We have to take her to the hospital!
Yuri-san, you okay? Looks like you got some blood on your clothes. Here's a new handkerchief. You got something to change into? Wait, this isn't blood. This is coffee, isn't it? Oh, true. I'll wash it anyways.
I was freaking out, but the women in the workplace handled it like it was nothing. The other guys seemed shocked as well. They couldn't focus on their work, but the women went about their business as if nothing happened.
Yuri-san is having her period.
Period? Huh? Wait, you bleed out of your mouth too?
Well, not normally. But it happens with some people. Her endometrium moved to her other organs, causing her to cough up blood from time to time during her period. Usually, she just gets some blood in her loogies, but she bled more than usual this month.
I didn't know about these things. Wow, I guess I understand. Seeing how they reacted, I'm guessing all the women at work know?
Yeah.
But none of the guys know. Maybe you should tell everyone, not just me.
What? Wait, I don't want men to know when I'm having my period, and it's not like it's life-threatening.
But you saw them. People panic when they see something like that. I guess I should be saying this to Yuri-san, but what if something like that happens again, and there aren't any women around? We'll just panic. We'll be useless. I mean, we'll never be able to understand what it's like to have your period, but we can hand her a new handkerchief if necessary. I know it's not much, but...
You're right. We should let the men know too. Once she settles down, I'll ask Yuri-san and tell everyone.
Wait. Maybe you should tell everyone as soon as...
Chief Katsura, why did you call an ambulance? Cancel that!
A coworker coughed up blood and passed out! Who wouldn't call an ambulance?
Chief, I'm okay. I didn't pass out. I just fell.
Yuri-san, stay still! What if your condition gets worse?
I said I'm okay.
You just coughed up blood! You're not okay! See? This is what happens. Later, they explained her situation to the men, too. Every guy at work started to bring an extra handkerchief with them.
ご視聴いただきありがとうございました。生理で吐血するなんて初めて聞きました。まあ個人差はありますから女性の方でも知らなかったという人も多いかもしれません。でもゆりさん、病院とかに行ってちゃんと検査とかしてもらってるんですかね。私はそれだけが心配です。皆さんはどう感じましたか？コメント欄に書いていただけると嬉しいです。また周りに頼るって大切だなぁと思った方、チャンネル登録と高評価をお願いいたします。